One Crescent Drive is our initial speculative office building at the Philadelphia Navy Yard. In 2003, we were awarded the redevelopment rights for a large portion of the Philadelphia Navy Yard and began, along with the Philadelphia Industrial Development Corporation, a master plan for the entire Navy Yard area. And it called for a redevelopment plan that was based on sustainability and LEED certification.
They didn't want to build a standard suburban office park. They wanted to create a place that was urban, that was sustainable, that respected the values of urban design and historic preservation and public access to the water that were so much a part of this Navy Yard site and the history here.
This particular building, green and sustainability is really something that is a multifaceted approach. Started with the design and choosing of the site and really goes through construction and the operations of the building, really taking into account resources, conserving resources, creating a healthy environment for our tenants and our clients and the users of the building, as well as respecting the environment, both from a water and energy standpoint.
But the real big impact in how we look at One Crescent Drive and how we are describing these buildings to our customers is that they really will profoundly affect the way people work. And we think that it will make people work in a much more efficient way and a much more productive way.
When Living Naturally decided to expand our operation and open a second location, it just so happened that we chose Philadelphia. And what attracted us to the building was, of course, that it was green and it was a LEED certified building and kind of one of a kind here in Philadelphia. As an innovator in our industry, we looked to move into a place that was innovating as well.
Based on the market draw and the potential down here in the Philadelphia market, we decided to open up a Philadelphia regional office about a little over a year ago here at the Navy base, picking this location mainly as a basis to work the entire Delaware Valley region from.
One of the things that our tenants constantly tell us about is the place that they're in, not just the building, but the place.
It's just a wonderful hub of activity outdoors and environmentally. You really feel that sort of bustle of things going on.
Every opportunity I have to be here at the Navy Yard and come to One Crescent, you really see clearly the impact of sustainable buildings. You see the natural light in these offices.
One Crescent Drive, we've created this lobby, which is a 4-story atrium. People walk in and ultimately say, wow, what a great space. What they don't realize is that there's a sustainable aspect to it. Ultimately, this 4-story atrium within tenant spaces acts as a secondary means of natural light in their spaces. In most tenant spaces, you're never more than 22 feet from natural light, either the exterior facade of the building or the interior atrium.
The building is glazed with windows galore, so you don't have to rely as much during the day on fluorescent lighting and things. I can actually turn the lights off in my office and almost feel like I'm working outdoors.
I think that the air quality and the light that comes through the office space really helps make people feel happier when they come to work.
When implementing some of these green strategies, the cost used to be much higher for materials and other technology. That cost has come down so much because now, with as much market transformation as has happened, these products are costing less. The technologies are being used more and therefore they're less expensive to manufacture and install. Liberty Property Trust has a very clear mission of enhancing people's lives through making extraordinary work environments.
Green building is clearly moved from, again, a bit of a fad and a bit of a mysterious kind of a concept to something that I think is very much the standard and very much the norm now.
It's been very interesting to be a part of something so forward-moving.